Hola my beauties, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hello, my name is Karishkar. Alright, so as you read by the title already, today is all about some really good affordable lipsticks and affordable nude lipsticks in specific. And having said that, I've tried to make this nude lipsticks video as inclusive as I could with my collection. So originally I was digging into my collection to find like some nice lipstick dupes, but that didn't happen. What it led to was this video. I just realized I have so many good nude lipsticks that I've never talked about, and even I don't use as much myself, but I was like so amazing and like why I don't use these lipsticks. And they're also very affordable and very, you know, light on your pocket. So if that's something that interests you, please keep on watching. Lastly, before starting it, I must tell you that these lipsticks are in no particular order nor in terms of preference or price. So you might find like a 70 rupees lipstick in the middle of the video and like a 300-400 rupee lipstick at the end or at the start. So I'll just keep on following through the video to really know each gem of a lipstick. First nude lip that I want to talk about is by Blur India. It's their Call Me Daddy lipstick. So the new lipstick range that they very lately came up with is called as Call Me Daddy. Blur does some amazing lipstick names, just saying. This one is in the shade 3 and I'm also wearing this on my lips right now. It's a beautiful matte yet not very drying formula. I personally am not a matte lipstick person, you all just know it. It's probably the first time you're seeing me wearing a liquid matte lipstick. Surprisingly enough, it's a comfortable liquid matte and I quite really like it. It has that powdery matte finish to it. You can see the color. It has tones of coral and nude and just terracotta and just like a very nice warm nude brown. This lipstick will beautifully suit from fair to medium to even deeper skin tones. Another lip shade that I also like from Blur's new nude lipstick collection is the shade 01. This is basically like a more pale, more cool tone, a little mauvey nude brown, and it will complement, you know, cool to medium tan skin tones beautifully. It's like a very beautiful pale nude with like a very interesting undertone, a cool grayish undertone, and I quite really like it. Also, another gorgeous lip that I found in my collection is by Maybelline. It's their powder matte lipstick in the shade Touch of Nude. I bought this lipstick and literally never used it, but it's such a pretty color, I tell you. It is a beautiful pinkish nude and just it's a very subtle nude, and the powder matte finish is to die for. It's supremely comfortable yet looks so stunning on the lips. And then the other day I also happened to check out one of my mommy's favorite lipstick and I tried it on, and trust me, I fell in love. So this is the Kiko Milano Smart Fusion lipstick. It's in the shade Rosy Biscuit. It's a very creamy satin lipstick because I and my mom, we love glossy satin finish lipsticks, and this is such a pretty color. Oh my lord, it's the kind of nude that is neither a pink nude nor a brown nude. It is a nude. Just quite obsessed with it. It gives a very glossy finish to the lips and is supremely comfortable. Certainly not very long lasting because of its glossy finish, but oh, I don't mind retouching this lip color for sure. And then we also have a lip from the house of NY Bae. It's the matte lipstick in the shade Sprinkled Bagel. Again, a very pretty stunning nude color. It's a more of a brownish nude, and it will also complement, you know, fair to medium tan skin tones. It will be a very pretty nude. Another stunning nude is by Milan. This is the Milan lipstick in the shade Bistre, and it is such a pretty shade. So you can find these Milan lipsticks on Flipkart or Amazon if I'm not wrong, but where I got it from is from a blogger friend of mine. She basically has this personal blog and she sells these Milan lipsticks there, and they're so good quality and they're delivered to your place well in time. And you know, if you want to support a small business, you can actually shop along her handle, and yeah, these are amazing. Like, the formula is so good. It's matte. It's almost a transfer proof matte. It's a very comfortable matte, however, because no drying mattes will be mentioned in this video, just know already, okay? Next up, I also have a couple of these Maybelline liquid sensational liquid matte lipsticks, and these are like a very lightweight, almost like a soft matte lip cream formula. If you've tried the Miss Claire or the NYX soft matte lip cream formula, the formula kind of feels similar similar but very weightless, I would want to say. And the first shade I want to talk about is this one. It's Birthday Suit On. It's a gorgeous peachy nude lip. However, it's slightly pale on me, so I like to use it with an additional lip liner, and it just gives me the most stunning peachy lip combo. Another favorite of mine from the same collection is this one. It's in the shade Truly MLBB. It's again a very stunning nude. It's more for like a true nude color, neither on the pink tones nor too brown. It's just a pale nude, whereas this one was a more on the peachy side. This is like a more true nude color. Again, the formula of this lipstick is so good. It's just so weightless is the word that I get when I talk about this lipstick. It does not feel like you have lipstick on, and it's just very comfortable and like a very soft powdery matte finish. So yeah, I quite really like. Another one of my old classic nude lipsticks. Like this lipstick I've owned for quite a while now. It's the Rimmel London Notting Hill nude lipstick. This one is in the number 720. It's from the Moisture Renew lipstick collection. I mean, you can tell quite well from the halat of this lipstick that it's an oldie but a goodie. So it's a very pale nude. Again, I like to use it either on top of my lipsticks, just make them more subdued and a little more glossy, because it's a very creamy, very high shine lipstick. It's like a beautiful stunning nude lip combo. And next up we have the classic Miss Claire Soft Matte Lip Cream. This one is in the shade 58. This is like a very unique, very interesting shade and a beautiful nude for deeper skin tones especially. It has these amazing mauvey brown undertones, and mauvey brown undertones suit deeper skin so beautifully. It's going to be a stunning nude in them, and even for fairer skin tones, it's just a pretty lip. And next up from my stash, we have a couple of Cal lipsticks right here. So you just know I had to sneak in my own peachy nude lipstick in here. It's the Cal Intense Matte Lipstick in collaboration with me, ex Girish Kaur. So it's in the shade Ola. Again, it's a beautiful peachy nude lip, just a very pretty formula, a very comfortable matte. I would call it a creamy matte for that matter. And yeah, it just sits very beautifully on the lips. I love the color. You can see the undertone of it is very complementary to the Indian skin tones. And yeah, next up from the house of Cal, I've also been digging this new revised intense matte lipstick shade by Cal. It's the shade Grace, and it's a very stunning corally, orangey, peachy yet nude lip. It has the tones of coral and orange, yet it's subtle and nude. The tone is very interesting and none like I own. And yeah, it's a very pretty lip. Again, this revised formula is more matte and more of like a powdery matte finish, and yes, is yet creamy and comfortable on the lips. And next up I have this lip by Seri Cosmetics. It's in the shade Naughty Nude. This is such a stunning color. I literally found it just today before filming this video. I used it just once before filming it, and I was like, wow, that's such a stunning nude color. Why haven't I just looked into my collection well enough to have, stumbled upon this one? And it's such a beautiful pinky peachy nude, I want to say. It's a very girly, a very college going kind of shade. I don't know how to describe the shade really, but it's just a very pretty, girly sort of a nude lip, and yeah, I quite really like it. And I also have a stunning, very pale nude. It's by Blue Heaven. It's the Elegance Matte Lip Color. This one is in the variant 11. The shade number is 11. They don't have names to their lipsticks, but this is like a very pale nude lipstick, so I like to prefer using it with an additional lip liner whenever going for this lipstick. But it's such a stunning nude. On like fair to medium skin tones, it will be an absolute stunning nude, yes, with an additional lip liner, but the lip combo is just to die for. With the brown lip liners, go on and use this. You love it. Talking of pale nudes, I seem to have another one from Makeup Revolution. This is the Renaissance lipstick in the shade Wow, and it's VOW, just by the way, and it's a gorgeous, very pale nude. So even with this one, I like to wear it with an additional lip liner. But the lip combo, a brown lip liner, and just a very pretty pale nude, to die for. Again, it's very pigmented and has like a creamy matte finish, and I quite really like it. And next up from my new lipsticks Pitara, I got you this Lakme Lipstick Beauty. So this one is their Cushion Matte Lipstick. It's in the shade CN1. I mean, I guess the shade's not mentioned. I'll leave it on the screen, but it's their Cushion Matte Lipstick, which is like, again, a creamy matte formula, and it's a stunning nude for my deeper skin girls, my chocolatey girls. It's gonna be such a stunning nude on you. So it's a very pretty brown nude and just looks very pretty on pretty much any skin tone. For my lighter skin girls, it will be a beautiful brown lip, but for my chocolatey girls, this is your go-to nude, I tell you. And serving another nude for the day, it's by Biotique. It's their moist matte lipstick in the shade Lady Luck, and yet it's a stunning creamy matte lipstick. It's more of a creme lipstick, I want to say. They claim it to say like moist matte or like a creamy matte lipstick, but it's actually like a satin finish lipstick according to me. It sits beautifully on the lips. It's very creamy, very pigmented, and the shade is also to die for, like so pretty. I feel I gathered quite some lipsticks, just 4 more to go girls. Stay in there. Next up, for my beauties who love their peachy coral lip, I have this Swiss Beauty matte lip stain in the shade of Peaches and Creme. It's again a very pretty, you know, peachy corally yet nude lip. So it's like a very soft peach or coral lip, and it's nothing too bright but will still make you look like cute and pretty, and it's a very pretty girly lip again, and comes in a lip crayon format. Is matte and is not supremely pigmented, I would want to say. You have to go in with just a couple of times to get the complete pigmentation, but I still quite like it. And next up, I also have the In Color Liquid Suede lipstick. It's in the variant 03. Again, a beautiful matte lipstick. It's a liquid matte lipstick, but it's a very comfortable liquid matte, and that is something I love about this lip color. Also, it's going to be like a stunning nude lipstick for like deeper tan skin tones. It will be a beautiful stunning nude lip, and the formula is quite nice, also very affordable. Pretty much all these lipsticks are very affordable, so yeah, I quite really like it, and you should definitely give it a try. And this one's for the ones who have been watching until this part of the video, until the very end. The last lipstick mentioned, it had to be the most affordable one, just a gift in there for you guys who have been watching through. So it's the L18 Colourpop matte lipstick. It's in the shade Nude Fix. It's such a pretty nude, and for the price, can you beat that? It's for rupees 75. Yes, I said it, 75 rupees. Such a pretty nude lip. It certainly is not like a powdery transfer proof matte, but it's a stunning creamy matte, and for the price, you just can't beat that. Also, the shade is so pretty, like come on, you really need to check out this one and you'll quite like it. And with that, we come towards the end of this video. I hope you found your correct formula, your correct, you know, preferable undertone, you're at your preferable price. So yeah, I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please let me know in the comments below which one is your like favorite nude lip that you are gonna try, and if you already own one or you have more recommendations in the nude lip family, would love to try them out and feature in my upcoming videos. So thank you so much for watching. See you in my next one.